I walk these empty rooms alone, where pain has made its home. My heart is heavy, worn and thin. I'm drowning in my sin. But somewhere in this darkness deep, a voice calls out to me. Blood was spilled for my restoration. The anointed bore my shame. In my brokenness I find a refuge from the pain. Touch my heart with healing hands. Let your mercy flow through me. Make me whole again. I see the thorns that pierce your head, the weight of all I've done. Your body broken, torn apart for every wayward son. The nails that held you to that tree were meant for hands like mine. Blood was spilled for my restoration. The anointed bore my shame. In my brokenness I find a refuge from the pain. Touch my heart with healing hands. Let your mercy flow through me. Make me whole again. I'm mended by your living waters, washing over me. Your love runs deeper than my failures, setting captives free. You took my place, you paid the price. You gave